Scams in Jamaica. You ever think about building a house, doing some business in Jamaica? But me I tell you, say, the lawyer, the contractor, the laborer, all of them will rob from you. And not only the killer them cause havoc in Jamaica, but some of them white collar people here, them just as bad, if not worse, than some of them will pull the trigger. Cause them cause some chaos between people and them land and property. Yeah, so the video, I don't know, I think about three ways to do it. So I might bust it up in a three part. First one, use the way how the lawyer them robbing. So if you plan for this in Jamaica, this is some of the story what me hear from a brethrens. How a lawyer them might play you. Then we might do the laborer them, then we might do the contractor last. So if you know nobody a build a house in Jamaica, buy a house, you send money to the lawyer and they might give you no bag of long dragging out business. This is paper when I reason when I drag you out. Say next month or next month. So we bring back common sense, we bring back shame, and we expose all the scams in Jamaica. We're the fool look apart. So yeah, so let's say you look on one property. It's a matter of fact before you go there. Let's say you fly out, you get a little farm work break, you know, you also a little money. Where you say you take a one trip on a visa and you run off. You start a little thing and you do a little hustling. And you send back some money what done if you fix up your house or don't finish it up. Then you are returning resident. You think we'll buy a place or build a place. You might want to listen to this, or if you know somebody you might want to send them this. Cause yeah man, too much of it, you know. So you may understand say enough of a lawyer them I do. Let's say you done scoop out the property, you know, here where you're gonna live. All of that. You do your research, everything done. There's no such thing as do your own research, but this is the next topic. And boom, negotiation go on, everything go on. Yeah, the property owner them come to an agreement, blah blah blah. So now you wire money to lawyer. Couple weeks run off, you know, I think nothing off it, cause you know, so I hope a paperwork and Jamaica slow. But now you say, no, so this I take too long, let me call the lawyer. And I might give you a pusher on next week. You probably talk to all the buyer, say, yeah, I've been waiting on the money, and I tell him, say, this a date and rare. So when enough of them I do, they might drag out the time and put on the money in the form of a CD bank or some type of investment, you understand? So let's say you research your house, boom, you find a house in a weird part. Alright, in the case of one of the situation, his family member was a lawyer. I think the house was about 500,000 US, right? So let's say your wife was 200,000 US. Alright, what is 200,000 US? So this I say 1 US is 157, right? And let's say your YMF was 200 grand US, right? So that's 31 million. So we just run off it 230 million just for mathematical purpose. So yeah, you send them 230 million now. That'll be down payment. In some case, this might be just to buy a property for some people. So what I understand, so now them go to some investment bank. Like for example, JMB are one of them, right? Or even some other big investment company in Jamaica, I don't know their name. And then percentage, this is what I find. So, the 30 million, as you can see the account, sure investor, whatever these mean. If you know anybody, send a video to them and break it down in their comments. So some of these investment doing a US, I guess this is pound sterling, US Canadian, right? Over $50,000, blah blah blah. Depends. So now you come down and start to CD. 500,000 to 99 to nearly $1 million Jamaican, you get these percentage. I guess 3 months, 60 days, 90 days. So boom, big money cut time coming out, see there, $30 million. And mind you, some of them might have more than one clients. So maybe 200 from you, 100 from him, 50 from him, 300 from him. So some of them investors see that 20 million over Jamaican. So remember 200,000, 30 million. We're going to assume this kind of setup difference. We're going to assume that this are 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180, force, one year, right? So let's say they might be greedy and want to say a 3 month we are go for highest percentage. which the percentage of so far for 30 days of 0.25, but with whole money, it counts. So let's say I'm going for 4 because you never pay attention. So boom, I'm going for 4%. So you're 30 million now. Right? Let's see here, 30 million increased by 4%, 3 months. So right away, you make $1.2 million off of your money by just dragging out you with time, right? Let's see, what is 1.2? So you make almost $7,000, almost $8,000 off of your US, off of your money by giving you the runaround. Yeah, the documents and the need this to the justice of the peace of the sign this and the bank and this not clear. So when you hear them bull crap there, be very mindful and know these are the scams some of these lawyers are pay. I play with them. And this can serve as an educational purpose too. And not only if them can, this is not financial advice, but if them can do that, why can't you pick up the phone and call and see if you can do this, if you plan for return, if you plan for build your house, and you have your money today, instead of you make the 7,000 US, not 90 days, or even 3, even say this, if this are 30 days, 3.3 is good, let's see, 3.35 or so. Yeah, 3.35 over 30 days. After 30 million, that's $1 million. So I don't know nothing for just tie you out for 90 days. So you have to find ways how you can pick exact time and exact date with the seller. And yeah, even depend on 3-way call, because some most wire transfer only take like a couple minutes, an hour, some 8 hour, 24 hour, right? So you have to be mindful of these lawyer games. So if anybody know any realtor scams where them are run, they say they have high fees. If anybody know about any other bank scam where them are run, we are going to some of my contractor them attack for some of them laborer. Alright, that's probably it for you most part for what a lawyer them do. When we know about when them drag out you. Okay, so now the laborers. You see, somebody did a family member build a house. And the laborer them did it, and it's like what? 700 a day, 1,500 a day, something like that, right? So you were there and you feel sorry for them. So boy, $900 a day. Much US that? Jamaica 900. $5 a day. Right? I think that was the going rate. Alright, let's say every laborer get $1,500 or $10 a day. So to you there, even though you're struggling and then I cool you run through sino, you do all kind of odd job to make ends meet. You still might, if you can't travel and you go down there, you feel sorry for them. And you say, I put something up on there and give me 5 bills or extra thing, buy me some food. This is about the laborer now. But at the same time, you're going to have them to look at odd jobs that I want done around the house. Maybe pick up some stone, move that over there. So, you say you want to get a day job. Even them will take you for your sucker. As soon as you turn it back, I'm going to bullshit. Nah, do nothing. Waste time. And mind you, them are some of the very same one where you all go buy food for. Because if 4 man when them work for even buy them food, you give them extra money for it. And this is the thing I notice about Jamaican. The more you're nice to them, even as well as say as a foreigner or whatever, the more you're nice to them, the more they see you as a sucker and see you as food. I don't know why some of them play themselves out of opportunity, being greedy over some like a small change. But you see that's quite so frequent in Jamaica. You have to wonder. I say, how them don't come on and think someone? And sometimes you also have to find an excuse for them and say your environment where them in. Sometimes they never want to see him bad energy and them not left out the neighborhood or the lane left off a lane. So them not see nothing better and them just they're on the same type of dead energy. So the first niceness you give them, they don't even know how to receive it. Them just see it as a sucker or see it as a them can't see it as a kind gesture and hopefully say it's a beginning to a new relationship where you can somehow uplift some of them, you know what I'm saying? And it's so sad to see. Yeah, even some of them same laborer, you treat them so good, them end up finding way how to steal your things. You know what I'm saying? Or for waste time with your job. And if very and too much to worry that. So you have to do your due diligence and follow up. It's in a few word where you can't spell. And I can't spell right now, so I better than some of my vibes cartel just sheep them in the comment section. So yeah, you have to pay attention when you have to business in Jamaica, and time is money. Oh, as me just say, me go back to the thing. Same as how some of these people can put in the money in a CD account for a week, for 30 days, 60 days, and make a million, 1 point whatever million off on an account. Y'all could do it too. So that's something if you think about. Most of these places have phone number and WhatsApp and all type of things. Don't be lazy, come off a TikTok and stop scrolling your life. That's find a phone who can pay attention to videos with common sense. Because I love nonsense. Not only information is at on the fingertips, but you just don't want it. You rather take blame and get robbed and then feel I walk and talk. Yeah, man, you know, sir, the boy they rob me. I'm a key boy walking on. When you could know how you could do better and managing a business better. You're not building a business. Build a house in Jamaica. Think about it as a business. If I want to be married and I build a house in Jamaica and buy land, guess what? If you need a divorce, that house go up for grabs too. That is the next video in itself. So if I want to think of the single thing on top, oh, yeah, man, I'm my house, that man, I'm build it. And now it's you and your wife house, you're married. Yeah. So the next one I know are the contractor them. Or the one in charge. Alright, so I don't know where we're at the 15-minute mark. So we might put the lawyer and the laborer in part 1. So part 2 might be the contractor. It's a bit me chatting about this. Remember, stay tuned to your talk. Hopefully you can start the daily live. I'm about to hit 50 subscribers. So I go give like a daily 11, maybe 11 o'clock live for an hour every day or half an hour. Too much news I go too fast. And you have to be consistent because just reading the headlines some of this, you can't just bring a negative energy over you. Just you see how cruel people them is with it. Anyway. Well, anyway, the contractor them. Alright, so you buy a land, you know. You buy the land, find the perfect spot. You get the plan draw. Yeah, a lot of that one. Then you say, yeah, me want to find brother that the bill Mr. John was wicked, you know. Yeah, so you put in something good work, a good contract on right there. Yeah, enough of them I look for you. I'll lick again. Yeah, I'm try to make you a sucker. So, yeah, enough of them I do, you know. Enough of these people have a link with hardware girl them. Yeah, call out the thing then. So I guess most of robbery I go on if I build 2 house and 3 house. I feed them house and you even know. Cause if I'm not too lazy again, I take the time to do like a research, find out some simple information. And ignorance I cause I found a pocket. So yeah, alright. Yeah, do it look a little because you say alright, you're on your farm work, you gotta do it when you get paid. You get paid every 2 weeks, or you have a little partner money have come in. Another thing when I get when Jamaican do partner. One thing I don't understand, I never get it. But you trust somebody else with their own money, but you don't know, you know, sign no signature, nothing. When you can actually put the money somewhere in there so it's safe. And then you end up give back the bank our money for hold. So you actually lose money for your money to give another person your money for hold. But I guess salute to the banker. If you can have sucker for use, why not? Hey, you talk about partner, maybe me house with a partner, send me to Kenya school or part. That don't make sense, a nonsense. That don't make it alright. But anyways, you find a contractor, you know, you build a house. Boom. Him do so. He say, yo, how much? Him say, I got 100 bag of cement. You see how them run a scam. 100 bag of cement to deck off a place, you know. Yeah man, 100 bag. Much for you 100 bag. Alright, now I might go as far as this for do backup for doing a look at research, right? Much for 100 bag of cement. You know say about 2,000, let's say 2 million how much? $2,000 bag. Alright, so I got 100 bag. Let me get one calculator, yeah. Calculator. Alright, so yeah, calculator. So let's say a $2,000 bag for cement at Jamaica. So yeah man, I want 100 bag for decky place man. 100 bag. Alright, much at all be 200 grand. I found him might just say take it 200 grand. I found out the research can't trust him. A good youth and him grew up and rated. I found him might go say tell one of your family remember your brother or sister say, yo, call long away in the shop and say how much you want because and when you pass down Mr. John Hardware or Mr. Palmer Hardware, make sure check how much you want bag of cement. And he said, boom, $2,000 bag, you know. He said, boom, alright, 2 grand, much US that now, because you know you have to convert up a thing in the US. Because you know where pay come in. So you do so 2,000, 200,000 Jamaican, you start calculate up. 200 grand, alright, $1,200. Alright, we can send the end of the month. Yeah, or 2 million. 2,000, yeah, 2,000 bag. Yeah, 200. So he said, alright, I'm going to need $1,000, you know. You might be so anxious you'll borrow that from somebody too. Yeah, so $1,200, alright. 13, run off 13. Boom. It turns out, guess what? You only need 50 blood clot bag. Sorry for your curse word if you play this on your big screen TV. You start put one inside on the thumbnail. Don't the cuss. And only 50 bag you need. But here, I remember some of them might show you receipt to you know, because they want to make sure say yeah, your money thing legit. Then them not rob you. So you only need 50, but him tell you 100. So when him got girl at the go at the hardware now, him and the girl in the hardware, I write the receipt for the 100, one receipt for 100, but the legit receipt have a 50 when him pay to her, and then you get a receipt for 100 back pay. So right away there, so him hit you $750, and that's just how far them willing to go. That's just half. You know, talk about the mall, you probably know how much I got drop, how much I got left that hard to move. But when you buy plywood, the deck, be careful. I remember I end up buying the amount of wood in buy just for deck one place, you could have build a whole house out of wood, and them still end up on rubber, steel, the plywood them. Hundreds and thousands in a plywood. I say, yo, where you buy some plywood for something we can reuse? And I mind you, something with them take down and replace and say they never have enough and then pull long and if you do one section and pull long. I say, yo, the amount of plywood you do everything could have strap up this a big old house the same way. So I saw them a rub on them tell you say, oh, you got 100 sheet of feet, right? Well, they only buy 20. Boom, then get you to 1,000 US, so 1,500 US. You know, you know, have nobody reliable you can depend on. And some of them when you grow up with them, you think you can trust them. No. Them see you as a link. So you need to go up on WhatsApp. You need to call some of them hardware. Yeah? You need to talk to the manager them. You need to double check things even though you get the receipt. To see how much really cement you buy under the receipt number. Yeah? And just run game, say, boy, see if you could refund 5 of them and then the max of receipt number and then they wait. Tell you, oh, you did just a 50 bag already. So start using the brain for other things. Again, the man them will pull it mall. They might want a place to get dumped up. They might go buy some of the worst dump. when them a get half price, we have all type of rotten wood and something in it. But your house not supposed to dump with nothing but some solid rocks and stuff. So even the truck man them, the load that come in, not only them a get a bad load, them not even fully truck with it. Because they want get like 10 more load. If you did really need 3 full or 5 solid load. Now them a bring half and bring a bullshit so you end up a pay for 10. So the whole Jamaica is becoming a scam culture, a scam capital of the Caribbean. Yeah, enough of that going. So pick up on the phone, do Google, call place, see how much these information needs to be readily available to Jamaica. How much cement, miles, stone it take to 100 blocks. So people can understand. So if it's 10,000 blocks to build a house here, alright, so if it's 100 to 50 bags of cement or 20 bags of cement, okay, everybody should have a general idea how much exactly amount of cement it take to run off 10,000 blocks to build a 5-bedroom house. Where are these information? If you're a contractor, somebody you know, put it down in our chat. If you know somebody, send this to them. Again, enough of them people that cause havoc in Jamaica. Them end up whole of people things. Some of them lie, whole of people payments. The people end up at default on certain things because them business they go through fast, you know. Because some of them crooked lawyer end up start bad vibes between people, start enemy, start killing one another. Some of them white collar crooked. So all of them need to get exposed and get Jamaica clean up. Enough of them end up responsible for bad blood because some of them people have to hire some of them feminine male to go shoot people and kill people over bad transaction and over even good transaction. Good transaction will lie turn it into bad can't even talk if you mean. Right, now me take a jet pull off or something. Pause. Last please. Can't talk straight sometime with some of the story. I can't just negative. A quick story. This is a bonus story. As a matter of fact, this is drop this Sunday. Make it over half an hour. So I drop it in that one video. When I see him labor, I go on in finish and tell me a story. So 2 youth grew up. One of them got foreign, right? So after a few years, one of them did them say, yo, I build a house, find a land. Tell him, brethren, find a land, man. This is not verbatim, but just a general story. Find a land, man, I build a house. Find a land, build a plan. Say, a plan look good. Start build a house. Right, it was supposed to be a bigger house and end up doing a smaller house. Then brethren, build a house, smaller house. People in the community start getting ahead. Yo, find them one day, you know, you can't stand there, spend up all that money, hold back some and build a smaller place and boom, you end up following the bad advice. Probably somebody see them, scam them, and may tell you, eat some of the money, build a smaller house. But the brethren come forward, you know, come see the house where road boy build. You don't know about time, I say, alright, yeah man, house so nice and man give me key and something. Go in the house and walk around and look and come out. Brethren will send the money for building my house, fly down to go see it. Man over a key to him and say, yo, your house is sign up. The man you made that building for. So more of that story end up robbing himself. One friend I built in my house and just because I'm greed, end up in a smaller house. And probably we ain't doing wasting money. But just goes to show it's hard to trust people. You can't even trust yourself nowadays. Peace out.